Welcome to another episode of Run for Tech. Today, my air pump has given way. It's no more pumping air. So, I thought it's time to open it up and see its components and, if possible, repair it. This mainly consists of a motor inside this and a piston here. Normally, what happens is the piston valves go off. So, we'll directly open the piston and see what's going on there. So to open, first you have to remove this plastic cover, uh, and this will reveal the inside body. From there you have to remove these screws, which partially I have already removed. Now this can be removed. So the way it works is, okay, here see there should have been a valve here to close this hole. So the way it will be working is, when the piston moves down, that valve will be opening to let in air, and as the piston moves up, that valve will close, and it will be attached in these two small burrs out here. This one part of, in some models I have seen both the valves coming on the piston itself, but for this one valve is coming here and one valve will be on the top part underneath this. We'll investigate to see how we can fix this. What is needed here as a valve is some springy steel material that should be very thin, but I couldn't find any such material within me, so we will give it another try using a Coke bottle strip. I just cut a small piece from that. We will see whether we can connect it here, but one thing for sure, this will not be as good as the steel implant it was having, basically because I think it's too thin on one hand. Secondly, I don't know whether it will act as a good valve and stay for a long time. First, we will take the position of the rivets using a pencil. Just outline it, and then you will get the two dots. So this we will have to transfer it to this plate that we have cut from the Coke bottle. Wrap the paper over the aluminum strip like this, and then using a nail punch a hole in the center. I'll do that and show it. This is how it will be, and you will be having two holes here, and now we have to deburr it because the nails would have created some burr here. I am using a file to deburr it, and then we'll try to fix it to the motor. I'm also going to use some Araldite to stick this particular plate. Now using the sketch we have done, I have put the plates into proper positioning. I don't know the life it will be having because it's just aluminum. Now that the aluminum plate is set inside, I put few drops of synthetic oil out here for lubrication, and I am going to close it, and we'll put it to a test. Yeah friends, it's pumping air, but I doubt its reliability. So for a emergency this can be used, not for a permanent use. Thank you friends for watching this. If you like this, subscribe, give a thumbs up. Bye.